back to my YouTube channel. It's still me, your favorite girl, Mary J. Black. And Miss Muhammad is the building, babies. So guys, on today's topic, actually we'll be inviting one of the best and nothing but the best reviewed makeup artists in my city. Yo guys. Guys, you know what, actually Miss Muhammad happens to be a bride like just some few days back from the worst reviewed makeup artist in my city. Yo guys, if you've not watched the video, actually guys, I'll be dropping the link down my description box, and at the same time I'll be dropping some short clip of the video right here so you all can take a look at it. I love you all.
Like right now,
what kind of bride does this? This bride is a worst bride also. What kind of bride does this? Changing outfit on the street?
Like, yes guys.
Why changing?
So you all should please bear with me. That's how we do, guys.
Like you do. Miss Muhammad changing outfit on the street. What kind of a bride does that, guys? Comment down below. I've never seen a bride like this.
Well, you've seen one now.
What kind of a bride does that, guys?
Miss Muhammad does that.
I'm ready. Give her. Me, I know the question I'm ready. Now you're question the one. I know the question. I want this place. I know the one. Give her money.
He's not going to give her 5,000.
I know the 5,000. Which makeup she do? I will pay her 5,000. You know the my hair. Pay my money. Set your money.
But this kind of setting, madam, will charge us 3,000. This small setting.
I don't understand. Come on. Why you not do it for I want to enter my shop? Why you not do it? It is say. See how you put this stupid light under my eye. That's why they put the lashes for her eye. That's why they put the lashes for her eye. Easy. Carry this thing for my face. That's why they put the lashes for her eye. No, they shout for me. No, they shout for me. I don't go pay. I don't go pay. Why do you keep? Give her money.
Give her 3,000.
I don't collect.
Give her the thing. I don't collect. Because you know if you give her 5,000, give her 3,000.
I know they collect.
But then we don't get the see. Just give her 3,000.
I know they collect. I know they collect.
Just give her.
That's not for this look. Honestly, I don't go pay. You go pay, oh?
Wait till I for this shop.
Good afternoon, madam.
Afternoon.
I beg you, God. Today I'm getting married. I won't give her this look. My makeup artist. So they gave me a number. I told her that she should do how much is her bridal makeup. She told me that her bridal makeup is 12,000. I told her that how much is the last price. She said she should do it for 10,000. How much will she set my head? She says it's 4,000. Last price 3,000, making 13,000. And I showed her this look. That can she recreate it? She said yes, she can recreate it. Only for her to give me this kind of look on my wedding day.
I beg. Yes, can this makeup no do?
One one now, radio with that backing of. See this one. She do. See
get out of the shop.
Get out. Who asked you? Aproko. Radio with that battery. Give her money.
If you like, wait, cry for her till tomorrow.
Give her money. Don't wait. I know they go anywhere.
Give her 3,000.
I know they go anywhere. No, they go anywhere.
Just give her 8,000. No, I know you go.
I know they collect 8,000. If I give you that 8,000, I know wherever forgive you if I give you that 8,000. No, if I give you that 8,000, but I know wherever forgive you. You carry my face already. If I give you that 8,000, I know wherever forgive you. You guys imagine that I was even crying, you know. I was even crying, guys. Oh my God.
Miss Mama here, she's a character, guys. She's just a character. So a lot of you guys, after this very video, commented down below like, Miss Mama, Mary J. Black, why not Miss Mama's just join a Nollywood because she can act so much. Miss Mama, will you consider joining a Nollywood?
Sure, why not? Just that there are some scenes that I cannot act, but sure, yeah. Why won't I join?
Guys, this is so funny. Actually, guys, I couldn't believe it because we just sat down. I sat down close to Miss Muhammad. Before I know, Miss Muhammad started crying. I was like, what?
I don't even know when I do all those things. Honestly, I don't even know. Immediately I put on the camera, that's when all these artists will just come on. I don't even know how I reply them. Sometimes I will be watching the videos and I will be like, seriously? Am I the one saying all this? I don't even know when I do all those things. Honestly.
So let me drop a short comment of all the people here like this. This is the kind of comment they dropped for you, that Miss Mama, please join the Nollywood space, join the acting space and stuff like that. These are all the comments here.
Sure, why not? Your baby girl got you, guys.
So guys, actually you bought this very outfit at the rate of 3,000 naira from the thrift market. We went to the laundry to wash it, that's to get it washed at just 2,500 naira. Then we thought about this like, no, let's first visit the worst reviewed makeup artist for this transformation, for a bridal transformation, before heading to the best reviewed makeup artist. And you know what? Miss Muhammad ended up crying. Have you ever seen a bride that dressed on the street then ended up crying? This is funny.
Honestly, here is one, because I dressed on the street. My wig, my everything. See guys, where I acted, but even myself with the straight face and everything, madam, my makeup artist failed me. I've been calling her and she's not picking. Auntie was even saying, yeah, sorry, that's how some of these makeup artists behave.
A lot of the fans said they can't just believe it when you just sat down lying. You just keep a straight face lying, comfortably lying, that a makeup artist failed you.
Yes.
Guys, actually, Miss Mama, she's just a character. She's just something else. So, actually, guys, today we'll be having the best reviewed makeup artist, yeah, for this very transformation. So we'll be comparing worst versus best. So you all should please stay tuned and see how this transformation will look like. And this is the hair we'll still be using. Yeah, this is the hair we'll still be using. So please just comment down below, tell us the next content you would love to see
On this channel.
on this very channel, because a lot of you all said we should take the worst reviewed makeup artist to the best reviewed makeup artist. We did that. You know what, I told you guys I got you. You know what, we got you. We did that. Yeah, we did that. So you all should please stay tuned.
You said you want to see a bridal makeup
Worst
from
reviewed.
the worst reviewed. Yes, and
We did
just
that.
yeah.
So please comment down below, and please thank you so much for all the kind comments, for all the encouraging comments, for all the nice comments. You all are the best, and nothing
amazing. We love
but the
you guys,
best.
yes.
I love you guys.
Without you guys, we are nothing.
And today we're gonna show you all something. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to Miss Mama YouTube channel.
Hit on the notification bell, like, share, comment, and don't forget to share baby girl some love.
Yeah, guys, it's still your favorite girl, girl, Mary J. Black. And Miss Muhammad is a beauty, babies.
hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need to kill a dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. Run and go still every time. Whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive when you know what it's like. That's why I'm better with than without.